afternoon, everyone. We are here at the Matayan Police Station to conduct an interview which is about checkpoint.
Good afternoon, everyone. And this is Sir Police Chief Master Sergeant Sir Alfredo Mandal, the Chief Investigator of the Anbantayan. And he is the one to answer our first question. So are you ready for the question, sir?
Yes, I'm ready.
So our first question, sir, what is the purpose of the checkpoint?
The purpose of checkpoint of police checkpoint in the Philippines cannot be stressed enough. They are established to maintain public safety. Police checkpoint is also considered as police visibility, crime prevention initiative of the Philippine National Police to deter crimes.
Thank you, sir. So our second question, sir, what documents do you need to provide during a checkpoint?
In the checkpoint operation, the Philippine National Police will conducted a checkpoint operation. So most probably check tas mga documents, mga documentary of the motor vehicles like CR, driver's license. This is the usual documents na pangitaon sa Philippine National Police when conducting checkpoint operation.
Thank you, sir.
So the third question, sir, is this checkpoint authorized and properly announced, sir?
Actually, the Philippine National Police, most especially sa ito ang operation section, doon na tayo mga listed schedule of operation. But initiative ni sa ito ang Chief of Police where to conduct the checkpoint operation. But sa ito ang operation section, doon na tayo mga listed days, time when to conduct operation. Meaning, ang checkpoint operation not necessarily i-announce. Dili siya necessarily. Depende na kung unsay mga kinahanglanon. Like for example, doon ay mga panghitabo, no? The Philippine National Police automatic na labi na sa ato ang local police station automatic ta conduct og checkpoint operation as mandated from the higher headquarters. Depende na siya. Pero doon na gitay mga listed schedules of checkpoint. In fact, ang Philippine National Police karon sa station, doon na tayo conduct ang checkpoint 3 times a day.
Thank you, sir. The fourth question, sir. What happens if a driver cannot produce the required documents?
Proper issuance of citation tickets or TOP. Natay munay mga kung usay violation niya atong isyuhan og citation ticket sa municipal ordinance or sa national ganing TOP.
Thank you, sir. The last question, sir. What should you do if you believe was treated unfairly at a checkpoint, sir?
Treated unfairly?
Yes, sir.
To motorists?
Yes, sir.
The checkpoint, we have guidelines in conducting checkpoint operation. We have requirements. We have guidelines to follow. No, abuse during conduct of checkpoint is strictly not allowed.
Yes, sir. So, thank you, sir.